Hey everybody, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded. Everyone has been telling me to upload and talk about what's been going on in my life right now because a lot is going on. So if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, then you already know what's going on. But if you don't, then you are most likely out of the loop right now. Basically, I am pregnant again. I was not trying to get pregnant. This was not planned. This was not expected. I didn't even suspect that I was pregnant. I was on birth control pills. I was on Cyclophem, that's the name of them. I took them at the same time every day. I took them for a whole entire month before beginning sexual intercourses, and we were also pulling out. So I was on birth control pills and we were pulling out, and I still got pregnant, which was a real shock to me. I didn't trust the birth control pills, which is why we were also pulling out, and apparently both didn't work. I'm 5 weeks and 6 days pregnant as of today. Today's Sunday, by the way. Tomorrow I will turn 6 weeks pregnant. I did not want to talk about my pregnancy because I was just like embarrassed to be getting pregnant so soon because Eden's barely 9 months old. But then everyone started talking about miscarriage. All the doctors started bringing up miscarriage, saying that there's a high chance I'm going to miscarry because there's been a lot of complications, which I'll put in another video after this. I'll link them below if they're out, and if they're not, then they won't be there, but you can just look on my page. They should be out on the same day as this video or the next day. But there was a lot of complications, and they all kept telling me I was most likely going to miscarry, which is why I ended up telling you guys about it, because I was just not gonna say anything until I literally had the baby. But I decided to stop hiding the baby because I felt like it was karma saying, you know, she doesn't want the baby, let's take the baby away. So I decided to stop hiding the baby. I have a 9-month-old son. For the people who are new here, I have a 9-month-old son named Eden. He just turned 9 months on the 1st of February. We pay for all of his things. I take care of him 24/7. You know, no one takes care of him unless we're going like to pick up food or, you know, to the grocery store real quick. No one takes care of him. I take care of him. We live with Julio's family right now. I'm hoping to get our own apartment by the time he turns 2. So the baby that I'm currently pregnant with, if all goes well, will be about 5 months old. So I'm hoping to get an apartment by the time Eden turns 2 so we can kind of have our own space. So people were asking me like, how did his parents react? How did my parents react? And I was just like, they didn't react bad because, and everyone was like, oh, like why didn't they react bad, you know? But there's no reason for them to react bad except for our age, because we take care of our kid and they know we're going to take care of our next one. So they weren't able to say, you know, oh, another baby for us to pay for, or oh, another baby for us to raise, because that's not how it is. So, you know, the only thing they can really get angry about is our age, because I will be about a week away from being 17 when I give birth, because my due date is October 3rd and my birthday is October 12th. So I will be a couple days shy of turning 17. We both still go to school. We do online school. Julio works. He works almost every single day. He works from like 5 a.m. till sometimes 8 p.m. He works in landscape with his dad. You guys all know I always said I'm gonna have a baby in like 7 years. I was always saying that, and you know, to get pregnant so soon, I was really scared, and I kept thinking like, oh, like maybe it's not too late for the pill. But if you guys have watched my 14 and pregnant story video, you guys know I'm not allowed to do anything like that because of my religion. So I brought it up to my mom and she yelled at me, and then I was looking at Eden and I was like, what if I had already had the baby I'm pregnant with right now and Eden was the second baby and I aborted him? And then I changed my mind. You know, I'm not gonna kill a baby. I decided to have sex, and now I have to handle the consequences. But yeah, that's basically you know, what everyone's been asking me to talk about. There will be about 3 videos out after this because I don't want to group everything into one video, because then it'll be like an hour long and it will take forever to upload. So that's why I'm grouping it into very small sections so that I can get the videos out faster. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!